Hi everyone, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Ksenia and I'm gonna show you how I did this pretty simple hairstyle. To create this look, I'm using this kind of barrel, and let's start it at 400. You can go higher, but I prefer not to. Then you'll need a heat protecting spray. I'm using one by Bedhead. Protecting glove, mine came with the barrel. And then you need scrunchie or this little guy and a brush. So first I like to brush my hair. Then I will add my heat protecting spray. And then we'll start sectioning our hair. You can use either something like this or a scrunchie. And then I section this area in 2 halves. Bring it forward. Please don't forget your glove. I always think I don't need a glove, but then I burn myself. And then you take small sections, something like this. Wrap it around tight. With the glove, it's so hard to feel the end, so make sure you hold on to that. Leave it for about 7 seconds. There you have it. This perfect curl. And you do basically all your head like that. So I'm gonna fast forward that. At some point you're gonna look like this. After we're done with the back, I'm going to separate my hair into 2 parts. In the middle. Gonna take this guy back and we'll work on this one. Here's what I do sometimes when this happens. I take this at the very end and curl it a little bit, just for a couple of seconds. Let it go. There you go. And now we're gonna do the same thing on this side. So you will be left with something like this. And the reason why I got this barrel like this that you can open, so we can fix those little ends. Like I told you before, it's so easy. You can find some hairs that you missed. You can do the same thing with them, like this little hair. So small, so be careful. So I go right away. Now I'm gonna take my 100% pure jojoba oil, just tiny bit. We don't want to make hair greasy. Just this much. Oops. Oh damn it. Now I'm gonna take my spray. And we are done. Now you can style it if you want, or you can leave it like this. I'm gonna show you how I style it after this. So here, just made the ponytail with this band and just let the hair fall down. If you like this video, please click on the subscribe button so I know somebody's watching my videos.